If you're trying to buy or sell a home in the Boise area right now, you're probably hearing a lot of noise from interest rate changes to headlines about tariffs and even fears of a market crash. And if you're like most buyers and sellers that I'm talking to right now, you're probably wondering, is now the right time to buy or sell a home? Now, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what's happening in the Boise housing market this spring with real data from both Ada and Canyon counties so you can make smart confident decisions, and I'll be addressing the tariff situation at the end of this video. Hey everyone, my name is Curtis Chisholm. I am a top 1% realtor specializing in both relocation and listings here in the Treasure Valley. If I can help you buy or sell a home, all you gotta do is reach out to me via phone, text, or email. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're in the heart of the spring selling season, and we're starting to see some clear trends. In Ada County, the median home price climbed to $565,000 in March. Now that's up 6.6% from February and 1.8% from this time last year. Now in Canyon County, the median home price reached $424,990, up 2% from February and up 2.8% year over year. Now home sales are also increasing. In Ada County, closed sales rose by 12% month over month and 5% year over year. In Canyon County, sales were up 6% from February and up 5% from last March. Pending sales, which helps give us a glimpse into this coming months of April's closing that we're in right now, were also on the rise. Now, Ada County pending contracts increased by 15% over February and 11% compared to last year. Canyon County pending sales rose by 19% month over month and 11% year over year. So home sales are definitely on the rise here. So what's pushing those numbers? Well, it comes down to resale versus new construction. New construction homes continue to sell well thanks to builder incentives, including rate buydowns, closing costs help, and upgrades. Meanwhile, resale homes are sitting longer unless they're in highly desirable neighborhoods and priced right. Buyers are willing to pay for a move-in ready home, but they're not playing games when it comes to overpaying for a home. If your home is even a little bit overpriced, it's very likely to sit. And in Canyon County, builder competition is even more intense, which is going to impact your resale home. The pricing advantage here is real, and that's attracting buyers priced out of Ada County, but sellers still need to be strategic. New construction often includes great incentives and lower maintenance up front, two things that really matter a lot to first-time homebuyers. Now let's go ahead and talk about interest rates. Over the past few weeks, rates have swung wildly between 7% and 6.5%, and then back up to 7%. But as of this recording, they've settled around 6.85% on the trend down. That kind of up and down motion can definitely make buyers feel very nervous, but those who understand the market and have strong guidance are definitely moving forward. Rates under 7% are giving many buyers the green light. When rates get over 7%, the market tends to slow down. If we can get rates under 6%, housing prices will likely really start to accelerate. Now, sellers, this market rewards the prepared. Homes that are priced right and move-in ready are going under contract fast, but homes that are outdated, overpriced, or not marketed professionally are certainly sitting on the market, even during the spring selling season. With buyer activity on the rise and more inventory coming online each week, you cannot afford to be passive about selling your home. Buyers, this is your market. Inventory's up. You have negotiation power. This is more of a buyer's market than it is a seller's market. And builders are practically begging for buyers in some communities. Don't try to time the market. Focus on the right house in the right area with the right terms. And if you're considering new construction, I can certainly help you negotiate the best possible deal, including upgrades, closing costs, and more. With my background in construction management, I know what to ask for and how to read the fine print. Let's talk about the Trump tariff tensions with China. That's definitely the big headline news these days. These trade policies have caused a short-term market correction and have people wondering about long-term impacts. Right now, there's no direct hit to housing, but if tariffs raise material costs or if inflation spikes again, it could certainly push rates higher and go ahead and impact affordability. Now, we're not there yet, but we're certainly watching closely to see what happens. Acting now may give you an edge before further shifts occur. This isn't a boom. And it's not a bust. It's just a normalizing market. And in a normal market, strategy matters more than ever. Whether you're buying or selling, you need someone who understands the numbers, the incentives, and the shifts. And that's what I help my clients with every single day. If you want to know what your home is worth, if you're thinking about making a move, all you got to do is reach out to me via phone, text, or email. And in the email, if you got this in email, there's a link you can find the home value of right there. Or if you're comparing builder incentive, let's talk. Give me a text, give me a call, shoot me a message, and I'd love to help you win in this market.